Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 4. And the name of the chapter is Shapes and Pattern. Scholars, this is part 1 of chapter number 4. Scholars, before starting with the chapter, let's learn about the different types of shapes. This is a square. A square has 4 sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has 4 vertices. Next is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has 4 vertices. Next shape is triangle. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 vertices or corner. Next is circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with 1 rupee coin or a carom coin, etc. Scholars, there are some more examples of solid figures. Let's learn more about them. So, some of the examples of solid figures are cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Let's see some examples of these shapes. This is a cuboid. Examples of cuboid are a bus, a tiffin box, and a fish tank. Next is a cube. Some examples of cube are an ice cube, a cardboard box, and a block. This is a cylinder. Some examples of cylinder are a can, a drum, and a mug. Next solid figure is sphere. Some examples of sphere are a basketball, an orange, and marbles. Next is cone. Some more examples of cone are an ice cream cone, a birthday hat, and a pencil top. So scholars, we have learnt about the shapes. Now let's begin with the exercises given in the chapter. So scholars, we will start from page number 75. Diwali lantern. Color according to the given color code. Call out the names of the shape as you color it. Just now we have learnt the different shapes. So, few shapes are given here. The first shape is of a rectangle. The second shape is of a square. The third shape is of a circle. Fourth is oval. And the last one is triangle. Scholars, color codes are given here. Like rectangle is of pink color. Square is of yellow color. Circle is of blue color. Oval of green color. And triangle is given in red color. So now you have to color this lantern according to the color codes. You have to see the different shapes and you have to color them according to the codes that is given to you. So I would like you all to try this as homework. Okay, scholars? Now, scholars, we move on to the next page. Page number 76. Here we will learn about the same shape and the same size. So let's begin with what is the meaning of same shape. Okay. Nazneen was using special plates while laying the table for the Eid feast. What do you notice about the shape of the plates? Just see both the plates. They both are circle. Yes, they both are circle. But just see the sizes. They are of different sizes. The first one is bigger, and the second one is smaller than the first one. So here it is clearly seen that they are of different sizes. This means here we will learn shapes can be same like triangle, circle, rectangle, but they can be of different sizes. Now see this one. Now look at these two plates. What do you notice about them? Now just see both the plates. They both are circle. Okay, they both are circles, but both are of same size. So this is the difference between same size and same shape. Okay, scholars? So scholars, just now we have studied about the same shape and same size. Now let's do this exercise given here on page number 76. Ring the one. Ring means circle. You have to circle the one that is the same shape. So here we need to circle the same shape. If it is not of same size, it's okay. We only need to circle the same shape. So see the first figure. It is of a triangle. Now in this line, which figure looks same as the triangle? See this one? Yes, this one is the same shape. So we will circle it, ring it. Okay. Now see the next one. It's a figure of rectangle. So which shape looks like the same shape? Second one. This one. It looks same as the given shape. Now see the third one. It's a shape of a square. So which shape looks same as it? This one, or this one? Yes, the third one looks the same as the given figure. So this is the way how we circle the same shape. Okay. Now scholars, see this next question given on the same page. Now here we need to ring the one that is the same size. Now all the shapes are same, but we need to ring the shape that is of same size. So see the first one. Which shape is of same size? First one, second one, or third one? Yes, second one. See, both the shapes are of same size. Okay, see the next one. Now we need to find the same size as it is given in this figure, this triangle. So which size is same of the given figure? This is small. This one is smaller. No, this is not. This is too big. This is also not. Yes, this one is the correct one. It's of same size. Okay. So this way we have to circle. Now see the next one. This rectangle. Find the same size. Which shape is of same size? Yes, this one. The last one is of same size. So this is the way how we match the same shape and the same size. Okay, scholars? Now, scholars, we move on to our next topic on page number 77. Same shape and same size. Nazneen made some sweets and placed them on a plate. She ate these two pieces. See the two pieces which she ate? What do you notice about the shape and size of these two pieces? They both are same shape and same size. Yes. See, both the pieces are of same shape and of same size. So now let's do this exercise. Ring the one that is the same shape and size. Now we need to circle the shape, the given shape which is of same shape and of same size. Okay. Okay. See the first one. Picture shape is of a circle. So which shape is of same shape and same size? Here these two are the same shape. This one and this one. But we need to also match the same size. Which is the same size? This one. So we will circle it because this one is smaller and this is the exact size. Okay. So this is the way how we ring and match the same shape and same size. Now see the next one. This is a picture of a square. Which shape is of same shape and same size? Two pictures are of square. One is bigger, one is smaller. The second one is exactly the same size. So we will circle it. See the next picture is of a rectangle. Okay. Which shape is same in shape and also in size also? Which one? See, there are two shapes of rectangle, but the same shape and same size is this one. So we will circle this one. Okay, scholars, this is the way how we match the same shape and same size. So scholars, this much for today. Now the remaining topics of this chapter we will cover in the next video, that is part 2. Till then, keep revising and practicing these sums at home. The worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.